Preview.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel here. How are you? Hope you are fine. Okay, here I'd like to show you how to editing tutorial for photo fitting. But before start, don't forget to like and subscribe here. Yaps, thanks so much for subscribe. Well, first of all, we have to prepare the materials. They are 1. Laptop and mouse. 2. Software Adobe Photoshop and corelDraw. 3. And the Photoshop itself. And the steps are: first, open the Adobe Photoshop software and go to the file. After that, click open, then look for the photo file and open. Okay, first open the Photoshop like this. Click file, open, and find to edit photo. This, open, like that. Second, cut the photo size 28mm times 36mm and fit it so that it is symmetrical in the middle. After that, edit a title color and on line. Okay, this here crop, yeah, this crop, symmetrical, fit it like that, and enter. This is okay. Size and resolution with 28mm, height 36mm, and resolution 300 pixel. Okay. Enter again. And that change the color. Edit background photo using red color with code DB1514. After that, press the key button and color the background. Okay, change this code DB. Okay, and press G. Click. Okay, like that. After that, save the photo for editing to the next software. Okay, I save the photo, exit, and open the corelDraw. Okay, open the corelDraw software, press the Ctrl and K and with the title and setting. After that, create a box white with a size of 30mm times per 40mm. Okay, Ctrl N. Okay, the title, edit photo. Custom millimeters. Okay, like that, and 20mm times 36mm width at the bottom of the photo for information. For example, SDN Cikea 1. remove the line by clicking the pen. Finally, drag the photo that was edited earlier to corelDraw and enter it into the box that was made earlier. Then multiply the photo and ready to print. Okay, find the photo. Okay. Drag to Corel. Okay. $30 millimeter and 40 millimeter. Enter. Okay, duplicate the rectangle and size 28 millimeter and 36 millimeter. Okay, that drag to here. Okay, and text for information. SDN Cikeas 01. Okay, and clear the line. Click here and none. Okay, select all and create too many photos. That and print. Okay guys, that's so simple, right? I believe you can do it better than me here, so please try it at home. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and stay classic. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.